Hello and welcome to Stocks Advisor channel. Here at our channel we are looking for interesting buy opportunities for US-based stocks. Today we'll talk about Snap Incorporated, traded at New York Stock Exchange, ticker name Snap. Well, Snap, as many other companies, actually after having the deep depth of 17th of March and the COVID very deep day, has shown very nice recovery sequence, and it actually went in several ways. And now the question is, what's going on with it, and will the sequence continue or not, because it actually was going really nicely straight until 8th of July, and then we have another kind of downwards short pattern, and now the question is, what do we see now? Is it really a flattening or preparation for another curve down? So that's the question, where it's going to go. And to understand this from chart analysis point of view, let's have a look first how it was developing. So actually we had this trend one line, very nice. It was confirmed many times, and actually in April, mid-April, also end of June, end of May, beginning of June, then mid of June, and it was really going nicely. And then actually at 22nd of June, what happened is so-called breakage of the wave. So the wave was going up, and then suddenly the red candle cut it, instead of slightly decelerating like it was happening in the wave that actually started beginning of June here, and the second wave was so breakage. And this breakage means that something is happening, the trend is about to stop. And indeed, that's exactly what we observed. There was another wave, again breakage at about 7th of July. And then we actually saw wave with breakages. And finally, after 3 breakages in a row, we see the decline. And now what's going on, actually starting from 17th of August, the price is always pushed down by moving average 20. By the way, here we have 3 moving averages depicted. It's moving average 20, 50, and 200, being green, blue, and red lines. And here, if you look carefully, actually, moving average 20, this green line has shown at 10th of August so-called magic cross down, where the moving average 20 hits from top the moving average 50. And then it's one sign which is slightly, well, in this case it's bearish, of course, and another bad sign here, which is the most bearish, is that the current price, so all the candles formation, those doji candles, are always below moving average 20. And moving average 20, the green line, which usually shows the fast action, works like a upwards channel, up level of the channel, so it's like pushing price down. And now what's happening, we have this combination of 2 candles of today's and yesterday. So it's one long deep red candle, and then we have another smaller white doji candle with small shadows. Usually on the very deep downwards trend, it's kind of semi-reversal pattern, but in this case, having the moving average 20, actually this green line working as suppressor, it's just nothing but very bearish sign, because it might still show some volatility backwards towards moving average 20. So here, but then of course the downwards behavior, downwards motion is expected. So going to real chart, it will be like this. And also this is indicated by moving average 50, the blue line, which is flattening here. You can see, if you imaginally continue drawing it, it's actually flattening, and also kind of tries to go further down. So overall it's bearish, and at least another reversal, series reversal, can be considered here, or let's say upwards wave at the next support line. And the next support line is actually on these levels. It's about 18 plus, and by that time it will also coincide with moving average 200, which is this red line, which will by inertia slowly continue upward. And actually when they meet each other with this support line 1, that will be first support action here. Should the correction continue, of course there will be another support lines. First of all, it will be this one in the area of 15 plus, but we will see from action how it will go. And if this happens, then it will be also good buying opportunity. So this will be a support 2 line, then here we can draw support 2 line. So this will show actually then the nice buying option here, because in general what we see also, there is upwards trend here observed, which is down trading trend, and it's on top of moving average 20. It's another resist line, which is the trend downwards, and this is really kind of very bearish situation here. Also, if you look at RSI, after showing those breakages of the waves that we were just discussing, some all being in overbought situation, it starts to decline further, and instead of volatiling at 50 and then going up, it's actually showing further decrease. So most probably it will go again to oversold situation like we had previously, and only then go for a recovery. So it will be so-called deep down and then reversal, instead of just continuing upwards trend. And in that sense, we can say it will be first downwards trend, and only then it might go for return. Having said that, you can say that actually S1 and S2 line will be nice buying points, maybe closer to S2, because S1 will be very strong volatility, and then anything below S1 and close to S2 will be nice to buy. Then we can expect some technical movement. Also, don't need to forget that actually we are already well above the pre-COVID situation state. Just if you look here, it's actually a little bit higher than S2 line, and it means that if the company didn't really show significant improve based on the fact that working and business paradigm has changed, then it overshoot, and then slightly should actually, it overshoot, and now it slightly should go back and correct itself. And only then, after it has some fuel, we'll go for recovery. So that's the news for Snap. A little bit bearish, but opens some opportunities to buy if you know where to do it. Now you know it. Hope you can enjoy and make nice business based on Snap. Good luck with it, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel, because this way you will not miss our other videos. Thank you.